Okay, I have launched the online interpreter for Python. Alright, so you can see it's Python 3 right now. Okay, and I have a set called fruit set, and I've already assigned three fruits inside. Okay, which is three particular data inside there. Alright, so apple, banana, cherry. Then of course I want to print it, right, to show what is inside fruit set. Okay. After that, I'm going to use this function add, right, to add another fruit, which is durian, to the fruit set. And again, I will print it. So if everything goes accordingly, all right, the first print will show only these three fruit, while the second print will add one more, which is durian. Okay, so let's run this, and here is the output, and you will see, all right, so the first set actually has three data inside it, and the second set, all right, the updated set, sorry, okay, I've added one more fruit inside that, which is durian. All right, so just use the add function, all right, to add element into the set.